how do you ensure quality standards are met? Big portion of it is one, understanding what the quality standard is for the customer and making sure it's all called out on their prints.
Each product's going to have different requirements, and you mentioned this, Tim, like the specifications and what you need to meet and what's required and how many times you need each part tested off the line, right? I mean, there's certain people that want the first and the last. There's people that want almost everything inspected as you go because their requirements on that print and that product are so much tighter that they aren't allowing, that allowance isn't there. Yeah, what processes are in place too. You know, if they're ISO certified, they have a specific process for catching anything that might be an issue. If you've got the right inspection procedures in place, you're catching these earlier before they're going down the line. And it's huge, right? You know, our department does a great job of inspecting the castings, you know, letting us know if there is an issue, and then if it is, how are we going to fix that? You know, what processes are in place to go through either recasting or retesting to make sure we're hitting those specifications as well.